आपके पिगमेंट की बॉटल पे लिखा है PMU इंक, but do you actually know what's inside it? Because organic, inorganic, hybrid ये सिर्फ words नहीं है. They determine how your pigment behaves, how long it lasts, and what it looks like on your client's skin even 5 years from now. Hi, I'm Dr. Gunjan, dermatologist, PMU artist, pigment formulator, and the person behind Eyebrow. Today, 3 pigment types, very simply explained. Organic, inorganic, hybrid. And at the end, why one of these matters more than the others for Indian skin. Organic pigments. And let me clarify this first. Organic here does not mean plant-based or natural. In pigment science, organic means carbon-based. That is the definition of organic. Organic pigments give you deep, rich, dark colors, long-lasting, high retention. For Indian clients with dark hair, वो depth देते हैं जो realistic results के लिए ज़रूरी है. But over time, organic pigments can shift color. They break down in the skin and can turn grayish or bluish. That faded, slightly blue brow you have seen on someone, almost always only organic pigment that is shifted. Inorganic pigments, iron oxide based. These give you softer, more earthy, more muted tones. Very stable. वो shift नहीं करते हैं the way organic does. No grain, no blue. But inorganic fades faster. And the color range is limited. You cannot get very deep, very dark shades from inorganic alone. For most Indian clients who want natural dark brows, inorganic alone will feel too light. Or hybrid, exactly what it sounds like. A combination of both. Now, why does hybrid matter specifically for Indian skin? Indian skin in most cases comes with dark hair, dark eyebrows. Clients who need depth in their pigment, not just color but actual darkness that mirrors their natural hair. सिर्फ organic use करो, depth मिलती है, but you risk grey blue shift over time. सिर्फ inorganic use करो, stable रहता है, but not dark enough for most Indian skin and hair. Hybrid gives you both. Organic की depth के साथ to match our dark hair. Inorganic की stability के साथ to prevent that greyish shift. ये कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं है, इट इज द करेक्ट फॉर्मुलेशन फॉर आवर स्किन. मैं ये थियोरी से नहीं कह रही हूँ. अराउंड 2016-17 जब मैं आईब्रो के पिगमेंट्स फॉर्मुलेट कर रही थी, these exact questions were in front of me. I spent a significant amount of time researching this as a dermatologist, as an artist, as someone who needed to understand what Indian skin actually needs. The answer was clear, hybrid. और आज भी when I teach pigment selection, ये same principle है. Understand the skin first. The right pigment choice will automatically follow. Organic, inorganic, hybrid. 3 types, 3 अलग-अलग behaviors. और एक skin type जो specific needs रखता है. Next time you pick up a pigment, ask yourself, what type is this? And is it right for this skin? If this video was useful, like it, share it. और अगर आप यहाँ तक आए हो, एक और वीडियो जरूर देखो. How to choose the correct pigment for Indian skin. Direct application of everything we just discussed. Link of that is in the description. PMU by somebody who knows skin. Eyebrow.